Bacon instead of ice cream? An apple instead of a burger? A sausage bouquet and press-on nails on socks? These are our new funny pranks. Prank War starts now! Mickey is having a guest. His sister Betsy has come. Mickey meets her with a bouquet like a real gentleman. These roses smell divine. Cut a cherry tomato into 4 parts. Put thin slices of salami in a row, overlapping one another. Put a piece of tomato onto the sausage and make a salami roll. Stretch out the sausage slices to make them look like rose petals. Fasten the bud with a toothpick. Hot glue artificial rose leaves to a wooden skewer. Cut a calyx out of a bell pepper. Put in the salami bud and add the skewer stem. Make a bouquet out of a few sausage roses. Wrap it with foil first, and then put on floral mesh wrap. Mickey is happy to see his sister. Roses? It's so cute! Oh, these are not flowers! Well, brother, hold on! Salami roses are not what a girl dreams about. But Mickey just takes care of his guest. She might be hungry after a long trip. It seems that this vacation will be funny. Betsy is a bit tired after her journey, and Mickey keeps running around the room like a crazy person. Where did he get all that energy from? He drinks an energy drink right from a battery. We will need a Coca-Cola can. Attach an enlarged battery image to the can using double-sided tape. Mickey offers his energizing drink. I take a few sips. Wow, it really works! This energy is more than enough. I can even see sparks flying in my eyes. Mickey's energy supply runs out eventually and he falls asleep, but his sister is fully alert. I will do a stylish pedicure to my brother. Hot glue press-on nails to socks. Mickey wakes up and can't believe his eyes. His feet look perfectly groomed and sophisticated now. A new kind of service? On the sock pedicure. Well, sister, you won't get away with it. Except that the nails on the socks make running difficult. Mickey's made a big decision to take care of his health. Extra muscles will never be in excess. We can say Mickey is pretty good at sports. And his sister brings a ball just in time. Scratch a soccer ball pattern on a round watermelon. Use black pentagon and white hexagon templates and a toothpick. Paint the hexagons with white acrylic paint. Color the pentagons black. When dry, define the pattern using a thin black marker. Mickey kicks the ball at once. Oops! It falls apart into juicy watermelon pieces. The watermelon team wins the Fruit World Cup. It's a pity that you can't eat it once it's been on the ground. Mickey has gotten hungry after his workout. It's time for a snack. Mickey just takes out his favorite fast food, but his sister's watchful eyes notice junk food at once. As long as she is here, Mickey will eat only healthy food. For example, a fresh salad. Mickey disagrees. Once his sister is distracted, he changes her salad. Cut fresh fruit. Put the fruit pieces in a bowl. Canned pineapple rings, slices of kiwi fruit, a banana, and an apricot. Sprinkle the salad with coconut shavings and decorate with sprinkles. Put dried fruit into the second bowl in the same way. Dried pineapple, banana, kiwi, and apricot. I sneak in the dried fruit instead of the fresh fruit salad. Betsy looks at her wrinkled salad. Was I actually talking on the phone for so long that my salad got dried out? Or does my lovely brother have something to do with it? I will take revenge. He spoiled my salad, and I will upgrade his burger. Cut a big apple into 3 parts. Take away the bottom one. Cut an orange, plums, kiwi fruit, and a melon. Put the fruit slices between the apple pieces. Sprinkle it with sesame seeds using edible glue. Happy Mickey creeps to his juicy burger. But what's this? Why is there fruit instead of bacon? Where are the fats and carbs? I will have to chew on this fruit burger. Betsy wants to doll up. She takes hairstyle products. Here is just what I need. It will add some volume to my hair. Attach a hairspray label to a whipped cream can. Draw an aerosol hole on the cap with a black marker. I squeeze the product onto my hair. What is it? Whipped cream will definitely add volume, not only to my hair, but also to my head. It's my sweet brother's prank. Angry Betsy rushes into her brother's room, but he sleeps peacefully. That's great! It will be silent revenge. Use pink hair rollers. Secure them carefully so as not to wake him up. And I will decorate his beard with yummies. Apply edible glue to the bear and add sprinkles. Mickey wakes up and sees that his sister's hair is creamy. Excellent! His prank has been a success, but Mickey is getting excited in vain. Let him look at his manly image. The hair rollers make him look like a real warrior, and sweet designer stubble matches his eyes. And all in all, the beard and candies. Food to go! Betsy is going for a walk. Perfect! Let's change her cream. Squeeze self-tanner and sunscreen out of the tubes. Fill a syringe with the self-tanner and eject it into the sunscreen tube. And Mickey decides to sneak in a toy snake into his sister's bag during the walk. She will certainly be excited. I put my hand into the bag. Oh my god! What is it? A disgusting snake! Go away! Go to my brother! In addition to this, the sun is shining right onto my face. Where's my sunscreen? I need to apply it before I get sunburnt. Take your snake, I'm not scared. Mickey gets the fake snake and looks at his sister's face. Oops, it seems that I've gone too far with the self-tanner. Betsy sees her reflection in the mirror when she comes home. Well, my skin tone is dark chocolate. Mickey is relaxing like a man on the couch eating cookies and watching TV. He is so brutal that he changes the channels by clapping his hands. Oh, Betsy's left her glasses here. Let's upgrade their design a bit. Trace the top of glasses on paper. Draw a bushy eyebrow. Cut out the template and trace it on brown felt. Fold it in half to get two details. Attach the eyebrows to the frame with double-sided tape. Without her glasses, Betsy can't figure out who is the most handsome actor in the movie. Take your glasses. The 3D monobrow is a nice bonus. Mickey has real fun looking at his sister wearing these glasses. He just can't understand what's funnier, the movie or Betsy's bushy eyebrows. Mickey is going to drink some tea, but his beloved sister changes the cups while he is looking for sugar. Brew green tea in a cup. Add 1 spoon of sugar and put in some gelatin. Mix it and put it into a fridge. Mickey wants to add sugar, but the tea's hardened under the look of this serious man. Is it a new dessert? Mickey tastes the tea jelly. Well, it's quite good. I'm going to give ice cream to my beloved brother. I've spent much time on choosing the right flavor. Take the wrapper off an ice cream carefully. Remove the stick. Cut off a thick piece of bacon. Shape it into an ice cream bar. Make a cut below and insert the ice cream stick. Put the bacon ice cream back into the wrapper. Hot glue the package. Mickey takes the ice cream that he likes, and there is bacon-flavored ice cream inside. It's the real ice cream for real men. Mickey is determined to eat the bacon dessert. Regular ice cream is for the weak. If only I had a slice of bread. Did you like our couple pranks? Then write in your comments who you support, Mickey or his sister. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny pranks on the Troom Troom channel.